actually be a real ghost. This might be a real ghost. Wait, let's report him, cause every modder has anti-report. Report him. Yeah. So he's a modder. No, he might actually. My game's crashing. My game is.
Game's crashing. Oh, okay.
Blue's back.
No, Dead is back. Oh my God, he keeps on joining. Report Dead.
No, stay in the code. He's there. He's right there.
He left.
He's gone.
Every time you say,
Guys.
you say let's report him, he leaves. So why don't we just not
Don't
say
report
that?
him, guys. Just don't report him. I'm live right now. I'm making a video.
No,
No.
tell him you guys are gonna do that. No, wait. He joined. Spec. Wait.
He might have a mod where he can't show in the leaderboard,
Got you.
and he's just hiding.
Oh yeah.
Probably.
Sophia.
It's a moderator.
Well, I'm never reporting.
It's a ghost in this lobby.
There's a moderator.
Who's the ghost? No, not a moderator. A ghost.
Dead. Dead's the.
Dead is
the.
ghost. Don't say.
Yo.
Don't say. Let's report him.
Yeah, don't say let's report him when he's back joined.
Your guys' plan then. Who's
Why?
the? Dead is
Who's the moderator?
Sunny. Yo,
There's nobody named.
Sunny.
There's nobody.
Sunny's
there's nobody
fine.
named
I'm
Dead.
Sunny.
They're about to join. He might join the different code. Yo, bro, we should join a different code. We should join the different code.
Daisy 09.
Yo, guys.
It's just a Daisy 09. Wait,
Let's stay in here one more. Let's stay in here like 2 more minutes. See if he joins again.
Yeah.
Don't leave this code. You know why?
We're gonna see if he joins again.
Wait, was there?
Daisy 09. He's real. That's real. Bro, stay.
No, that's fake.
How do you know?
Oh my gosh, he's a fake taste. He's supposed to do my gosh. I know that's fake. It's fake because
He's supposed to go like this. He's supposed to go like this.
it's fake. He was just about to.
Where'd he go? Oh yeah, modder. Report him. Report Daisy.
Daisy 09.
My game.
She left.
Don't say report me.
Spam, guys, don't leave spam this. Spam this.
Wait, spam this.
Spam it. Yeah, that's perfect. Everybody spam this. Somebody has to do PBBV.
What does it want?
Somebody joined. Fake. He's so fake. He was going like Daisy. He was like this. Daisy. Keep spamming.
We are gonna hunt Dread.
Oh my God, is anyone here a ghost hunter?
I am. I'm doing a video right now. We're ghost hunters.
Ghost hunter, come here. I'm a ghost hunter. I'm recording a video. Who's recording?
Everybody mute everybody except for him.
Wait, what's his name? Sonny?
Yeah,
Oh, I accidentally.
Wait, okay, who do I mute?
everybody except for us.
Don't mute Ted. Okay.
Now I only
Let me know when
have
y'all are
you
done.
guys
Let
on
me
me.
know when y'all are done.
Okay, we're done. We're
Okay,
done.
We're done. So,
We're ghost
for you
hunters.
and them? Yeah,
We're doing a YouTube video. Say what's up.
All right,
right now.
so yesterday at around 1 o'clock. Oh my God. All right, screw that, dude. So yesterday around 1 o'clock, someone of the username 98743 joined this code, and they were saying like they were a warning bot, a part of this hacker group, and they doxed me and a few other people.
Bro,
They were
we
in-
gotta
it was
do
in
that.
This code. It was in,
In
this
this
code.
Guys, I know the best
At 1
code.
in the morning.
Help.
Go.
Join the code help. Everybody.
Infection.
Infection.
Help.
HELP.
It was in Daisy. That was the code. But this
But
code.
just join help.
HELP. Everybody join the code help. I'm in. Bro, the dead though was perfect. That's gonna get views. We're in.
Good. Wait, how much people in help? How much people's in help? Oh my god.
Anybody?
Not to be broke
No, wait.
bad.
Joiner code,
Guys,
bro.
We're gonna upload this. I'm in. Oh,
Li-
I have-
Joiner code. Blizzard. Joiner code.
Okay. Let's follow us. Party. Oh, there's enough.
Just leave the code. Leave the code and then join it. Ted GT. Holy, I'm shaking because of that. He pointed dead. I'm not you when you went dead when it was only me and you. He literally pointed at my name and I said I reported him and then he instantly left.
So that's a fake one.
Yeah, that was fake. He has anti-report.
And
Let's talk about Daisy 09. Come on. Let's talk about that Daisy 09 and that dead. I'll sit on this side.
I know Dead was fake because he went in the sky and then stopped and then keep going.
Yeah, so, like, Daisy, though. Sit down, bro. Sit down. Daisy 09 was... Daisy 09... Don't go like that, okay? But Daisy 09 was obviously fake. Because if he was real, it didn't go down. And it just like teleported under the ground right here, and you can obviously do like go on the wall like that. It's not like he was using plat. Yeah, Daisy 09 has like these types of long arms, like those types of long arms.
Wow.
And then we started like spamming this, and then he joined right here, but Daisy 09's supposed to spawn in there, and he was just like. Boom.
But let's join another ghost code. What next should we join?
Banshee. No. Yeah, Banshee. If it's full, we'll just redo the code.
Okay.
And also, I can still. Wait, do you have your own phone? Is that your own phone?
Yeah.
Can I get your phone number?
Why?
So I have a phone too. So me and you, I can talk to you while I edit my video.
Okay.
Let's join the code Banshee. How do you spell ban? Oh, BAN. No, remove everything.
I did.
Ban. 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 SHE. Oh yeah. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
1, go. At least I got you in the call. This is my main color. No, it's only me and you. Yeah, it is. Oh. I'm in casual too. There's 2 people in the code. Who's this? Where are you? Rejoin the code. Yeah, Ted GT. Yeah, it put me in a whole different lobby. It would have let me join. I'm in the infection one. Are you in casual? Well, I'm all alone. Do Ted VR. Ted VR. You want to join casual or? Yeah. Me too. Ooh. I'm all alone. Stay. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm joining. Ding. If it doesn't let us in, I already got a lot of footage. Yeah, I'm all alone. Dad? Oh, what was it? Sorry. J3VU. J3VU. Oh, I accidentally did Y. Wait, are we in casual? I'm in. What? There's 18 people?
Oh, Papa.
Yo.
See, look, it's a 20. Someone told me there was a 20 infection lobby.
Oh, mute everybody except for us.
I'm gonna get back.
Okay.
Why?
Except for me.
What's my name?
You're on the very...
People? Okay. Perfect.
There's no ghost. Let's... Echo. There's Echo.
Really? That's a fake one. That's definitely
Obviously.
because Echo don't spawn in force.
Oh yeah, they spawn in canyons. And then they move to like city and then caves and then to forest.
Oh, hey,
What the heck?
match bot. No, wait, no. Watch bot. Watch bot.
He's gonna leave.
Yep. See, fake. Fake one. Wait.
Leave. New code. Put it on infection. J3VU infection. We're in the same lobby. Do casual. Let's do a new lobby. What's a lobby that we haven't tested? Daisy spelled backwards. So how do you spell it backwards? YSIAD. I'll meet you in. It's only gonna be me and you in this code, I know it. It's not, I'm all alone. Somebody join my code. Rejoin the TED GT. I'm gonna restart my thing. Thank you guys for one sec.